Hello guys, welcome to today's video. I'm super excited to bring you guys a reminder of this platform whereby you can actually start up and trade even without any form of capital, and you will earn and you will make withdrawal. Now this platform, I've actually made different videos as touching this platform, and I'm going to attach the video at the end of this video, so you are going to see it at the end screen, or all you just need to do is to just check down the playlist. I dropped a video guide on how you can actually trade here, and the step-by-step guide and my winning strategies. Now for you to get started on this platform, all you just need to do is to just check down the description box of this video. You are going to see a pinned comment. You are just going to click on it and you register. Now what I'm doing here is to bring you guys just a soft reminder for you to continue trading here, and so that you can keep on earning. Now for those of you that are asking, okay, how do I trade here if I don't have capital? All you need to do is to click on this simulation. You can see simulation by my right hand side. You can see an arrow pointing down at it. You are just going to click down on that simulation, and then you begin to trade and you earn. But well, you are not trading on your own. What you are doing here, you are going to copy trade. Now these guys, they have two signal group. Now the first one, there is a VIP signal group whereby you can trade. On that VIP signal group, what you are doing is that you are copying a trade given to you by a human analyst, and then you trade and then you earn. However, these guys have good packages. Now there is a compensation plan for ETH, that is if you are trading on Ethereum. I'm going to break that down gently so you guys don't get confused. You can see there is a 1 minute signal group, and there is a VIP signal group that is works around 5 minutes interval. Let me show you guys a step-by-step guide so you don't get confused. Now this is it right now. If I come here on this interface, you will discover that there is 1 minute, there is 3 minutes, and there is 5 minutes, right? So each of these countdown timer, they have their own signal group that is being given to you, and you copy the trade and you trade. Now if you don't even know how to trade, just because this video that I'm making is just a soft reminder, I'm going to just direct you to the playlist where I made an official video showing you how you are going to trade using this signal group, so you don't need to worry or be in fright. So just go down to my playlist and check on it. If you have any question, all you need to do is to find your way down to my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel is in the pinned comments of this video. You can see it. There are different form of airdrops that we are doing here, so if you don't, there are different activities you can participate on, and make sure you be on the winning side and on the side that print and stack USDT constantly. Now for this platform, there is a juicy offer. If you just get registered on this platform, you stand a chance to win iPhone 15 Pro Max. You can see there are different packages. Now once you deposit, they are going to give you a 10% bonus off your initial deposit. So these are all the packages and more that I'm showing you guys here. And what I want you guys to also position yourself is that these guys, according to what I've heard and searched on, they are proposing to launch a native token on their own official app, but it is not yet launched. They are still planning towards it. So once you register, you are going to earn this token here. You can see it is called CRB, right? So once you register, you earn it instantly. Now if you want to trade on this platform, all you need to do is to you are going to recharge your account. So you can start up with around 10 USDT or 10 USDT and above for you to trade. So if you want to recharge, all you just need to do is to just come right here and just help yourself. Click on assets. Once you click on assets, you tap on recharge. So once you tap on recharge, you can recharge using any currency of your choice. These guys, they accept USDT, they accept TRX, and the juicy part that I love about this platform is that you can actually deposit using fiat. Now if I just go to fiat, I tap on fiat here, you can see there are different country local currency that they support. They support for Egypt, PKR, BTT, LKR, and for Nigeria, they support Nigeria. So please, for you to be on the safer side, please make sure you navigate your way down to my playlist so that you can listen to my instructions with everything that has to do with trading, so that you trade and not lose. Now if you trade, remember this is trading, is a business of profit and loss. But however, in my trading tutorial, I've dropped a full guide how you can actually trade here and do what is called good risk management, so you can always keep on earning. And also you can also refer your friends, right? If you want to refer your friends so that they can also participate, but before you refer them, make sure that you have gained mastery and understand how this platform works perfectly. Now remember, I said if you don't have capital at all, you can come here, click on this simulation, and then you trade making use of the signal group. Now all the signal group and all the signal channels, I'm going to drop it in the description box of this video, so make sure you just go find your way to the description box and then you want to join all the Signal group. If you have any question at all, drop it in the comment section of this video. I'll be eager and ready to answer you. So that's just basically all. What I just did here is for a reminder. If you want to trade 1 minute, 3 minutes and 5 minutes, just why I'm not touching on how to trade here is that I already made a video, you understand? So just go to the playlist, or when you watch this video to the end, you're just going to see a playlist guide. So you click on it and watch all of them. If you are still confused, you find your way down to my Telegram channel. The link is in the pinned comments of this video, and then you can just ask me any question there and I'll be there to guide you. Yes, an alpha project I'll be giving you guys all for free. It's called Caladri Finance Testnet Mining. If you want to ape into that project, it is in my Telegram channel, and the link to my Telegram channel is in the comment section of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like, comment and you subscribe.